Hey guys, welcome back to YOLO Treats. Now on today's menu, we have a simple chicken sandwich recipe and I will be showing you how to make this quick snack. Now as usual, before I get to the recipes, please remember to show me some love by subscribing to my channel if you haven't, and also all your thoughts, ideas and criticism are welcome, so help me make this channel better by sharing your thoughts down in the comment section below. So with that said, let's get on to our recipe of the day. So for this snack, you will need the following ingredients on your screen. Now don't you worry, I will include all these items down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out before heading out for shopping. So the first step will be cooking the vegetables and the chicken, and this is how you will do it. Add oil to your pan and let it heat. And then add rosemary leaves to flavor the oil. After that, add your chopped onions. And then add grated ginger. Then add grated garlic as well, and then just mix it up and let the mixture cook. And then add some green pepper to it, or whatever you call this vegetable. After that, add some carrots as well. So before adding the chicken to the mixture, add some coriander leaves to it and then mix up. Later on, add the chicken to the vegetable mixture. So as the chicken cooks on low heat, you will have to add the spices, and you will start by adding a 1/4 teaspoon of Royco, a 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs, chicken masala, red pepper powder, turmeric powder, and then you mix up the mixture. Now you don't have to put all the spices that I listed, just add whatever works for you. In fact, salt alone could be enough. Lastly, add salt to taste. Now after adding all the vegetables and the spices that you want, let your mixture cook for 15 minutes on low heat. So when your chicken and vegetable mixture is ready, just put it aside and let it cool for about 5 minutes. And while it cools, you will go on to the next step, which will be filling the buns. Now you will get swoon buns just like this. Now you can use any buns that you have, but I decided to use this because I love these buns. So what you will do is you will cut them to create a hole in the middle. Now it's in this hole that you will place the chicken vegetable mixture. Let's do this. So for our final step, you can add cheese to your sandwich, but this is totally optional, and if you don't like cheese, you don't have to add it to the sandwich. So there you have it, your delicious chicken sandwich ready to be devoured. Now as you can see, this is a very simple recipe. So on those days that you do not feel like cooking a heavy meal, just try this out. Now let me know what you think about this meal down in the comment section below. And before I call it a day, please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you have already done so, I just want to say thank you so much for the support. That's all for today. Until next time, bye.